Hi everybody, welcome back to Fire with Dr. Ninja Turtle. This is going to be a quick video this week because my puppy is sleeping, I'm at the RV, and I'm going to try and shoot this while my puppy is still sleeping. So what I want to update everyone on, and this is my video for the week because this is Friday, is that I was saving 100% of two different college paychecks. One paycheck was going 100% into traditional pre-tax, and the other paycheck was going 100% into the Roth. Well, I just stopped both of those today. I just received an email from the bank that they are going to loan me money on some properties that I'm trying to buy, rental properties. However, it's been a tricky deal, and this is my second bank that I've had to go to get this deal done. And they want some money from me. And therefore, I have to stop contributing to my college retirement accounts temporarily until I can get this deal done. It's going to cost me quite a bit of cash. It's pretty much going to wipe me out of cash, but this is the biggest real estate deal that I have ever done. And it's one where it's going to be very profitable. So the amount of money and the temporary pain of spending a lot of money for the next 3 months, it will probably take me to pay off what I'm going to put down is 3 months. Then that is what I'm going to do because I want to get this deal done. I am not one to shy away from making money in opportunities. So this is my video for today. I will update everyone on this property deal. It's multiple properties and it's the most I've ever spent in real estate. And I can tell you, I have a property that I'm using for collateral for this deal that's fully paid off, and it's worth half of the loan. However, because of the fact that these properties are not rented for as much as they could be, the market rent, which I will raise them to the market rent, the bank is requiring some cash on top of my fully paid off property that I'm using for collateral. A little bit complicated of a deal, but in real estate, you don't say, I can't do this. What I've been taught by Brandon Turner at Bigger Pockets is, and this was many years ago, I was taught that in real estate, you ask the question, how can I? And that's what I did. And this is creative financing, but we are going to get this deal done. Thank you, and I hope that you subscribe to my channel so that when I get monetized, I can donate all profits from YouTube to charity in my local town.